Hi guys, what is going on? Hey, welcome back to another video. It's Vincent Capriati. Today, I'm going to be showing you the ringtones on my Panasonic home phone. Because a lot of people, actually, if it's in Spanish, it's okay. I think this is not in Spanish, I think this is English, yeah. I'm just going to show you all the ringtones on here. And maybe in one of my videos, I'll show you how to block them. This is one of them. This is just fucking horrible, that one. The number 5 one is fucking horrible. It's probably one of the baddest ones the world had made. Yeah, this is really fucking stupid. This one. What the hell? Pretty not bad, actually. No, this one's fucking stupid. Why the hell would they make these? Anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. Please comment and subscribe. Leave a like, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks.